Wait! You don't need to pay $20 per month anymore! The best AI image generator is now available for free, and it's about to change everything. Nano Banana Pro is here. 4K images with top-tier quality, and most importantly, no more broken text. This AI finally nailed accurate typography and clean logo types. From cinematic scenes and animations to logos, restaurant menus, and any text on images. Let's jump into the video and I'll show you how to turn the game in your favor. If you're into AI and you don't want to waste your time on low-quality tools, make sure to subscribe to Fiery Byte. There are multiple ways to use Nano Banana Pro for free, but the last methods are the most stable and reliable. Make sure to check all of them, because over time some methods may stop working or require a paid subscription. Method 1. Firefly. Go to firefly.adobe.com. From here, select Image, then choose Nano Banana Pro. Set your preferred aspect ratio, write your prompt, and click Generate. I previously created a very simple restaurant menu with this tool, as well as a minimalist logo combining the letter R with a rocket. Before this, I tested tools like Sora, Midjourney, and several other AI models for logo design, but none of them matched the quality and level of control you get with Nano Banana Pro. In the next step, you'll clearly see why. From here, you can open the image directly in Photoshop Web for editing, or simply download the final result. If this method was useful, hit the like button and let's move on to Method 2. Method 2. Whisk. Go to labs.google and open the Experiments section. Find Whisk and enter the tool. Whisk uses Nano Banana, not the Pro version. As you can see, I used exactly the same prompt I used in Firefly, but the logo output is clearly weaker. The result is basically a simple rocket emoji placed on an R, with no real design logic or refinement. This clearly shows that Whisk relies on standard Nano Banana, not Nano Banana Pro. When you compare it directly with Firefly, the quality difference is obvious. The Firefly result is cleaner, more professional, and properly designed because it uses Nano Banana Pro. Whisk is free but has daily usage limits. It's fine for basic image generation, but it's not suitable for serious logo design or text-based work. Method 3. $0. Membership. Gemini. Go to gemini.google.com or download the Gemini app and sign into your Google account. Inside Gemini, you can access Nano Banana Pro directly. However, this method has two major limitations: daily usage limits and a watermark on generated images. From here or the side menu, click Upgrade to Google AI+. If you've never activated this subscription before, you can use Nano Banana Pro and other Google AI tools for free for 1 month, paying $0. If you're not looking for a temporary 1-month solution, then the next method is for you. Method 4. Lovart. Go to lovart.ai/home. Select Nano Banana Pro, enter your prompt, and generate your image. As you can see, I've already created multiple images here, and the output quality is extremely high in terms of detail, sharpness, and overall polish. Even the thumbnail of this video was created using Lovart. When you click on any image, you get access to powerful tools such as image editing, object removal, upscaling, background removal, text editing, and downloading the final output. Personally, for serious projects, I mainly use Lovart along with the next method. Method 5. LM Arena. Go to lmarena.ai. Click on the image icon, then select Nano Banana Pro from the top menu. The first option is Nano Banana Pro. Enter your prompt and, if needed, upload a reference image. For example, I previously created a cinematic horror scene where a masked man is standing in the darkness. The original image didn't include a knife, but using the edit feature, I easily added a knife with a slightly bloody tip in his right hand. This is the edited result. The output is genuinely impressive, from lighting and detail to overall image quality. With this level of realism, you could even consider creating a short cinematic film. Final note: Seedream 4.5. Through larena.ai, you can also access Seedream 4.5 for free. While Seedream 4.5 doesn't match Nano Banana Pro, especially for text rendering and logo design, it's still a powerful tool for other types of creative work. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more high-quality AI content right here on Fiery Byte.